Hi, my name is Tova Speter, and I'm a community artist and art therapist located here at Gorse Mill Studios in Needham. So my interest in art started at a very young age, but it wasn't until later on in life, when I was in college, I decided to pursue a career as an art therapist, combining my passion for psychology and for art making. So a lot of my work focuses on engaging community in art experiences. I do that in a lot of different ways. One of my favorites is doing community mural projects. From the designing, to the priming, to the painting, it's not about me. It's really about other people feeling like this is their work. People are able to say, look at this work that we did. And they sort of forget that I was even there. That's how I know that I've succeeded as a community artist.
I'm really excited to be here to share in this celebration of our art project.
I've been the artist in residence in a variety of schools and programs, most recently at Broadmeadow Elementary School, where I worked with about 600 students, faculty, staff, everybody working together to create a large, colorful installation that really explores the idea of belonging and making sure that we're creating a space where everybody feels like they belong. Another recent community art experience that I have facilitated is called Brighter Ignited, which is a giant traveling interactive light display. Everybody creating their own design that contributed to this big display that is traveling and touring around to different communities to light up the winter. So there's a lot of different examples of this type of work, and they're all very different. I never really do the same thing twice. So I use different materials, and I'm just really excited to create new work that hasn't been done before, or that can offer something to the communities with whom I'm working. If I magically find some time for my own work, then that's amazing. And I'm really excited and thankful to be able to do that.
And so this show is a reflection of what I did for myself to try to get out of that stuck feeling.
I hope that it helps people shift perspective. That's sort of at the core of all the work I do, is to offer these perspective shifting experiences to see, look how beautiful that actually is all by itself. We just need to shift how we view it in order to recognize and realize the beauty. We get so stuck in our regular routine every day, thousands of thoughts going through our heads over and over again, and art just offers an opportunity to take a break and a pause from all of that and build other creative connections in our brains, for ourselves, and for other people. Not the best. I'm someone who really feels a lot of benefit when I help other people, and so the way that I can do it isn't necessarily with financial support. As an artist, it's not really part of the deal, but I can contribute with my skills in facilitation and just offering artistic opportunities to people who don't even yet realize that it's something that would be meaningful to them. I have a belief that's at my core that engaging in art making is inherently therapeutic. I see how that has happened for myself as an artist, and so now I just really want to share that with as many people as possible.
Excellent.